lime, marble, and water. So it is an all-natural product. And when it dries, it actually returns back to its stone state.
Good. You're doing great.
Yeah.
You're doing better than your husband.
Check that out. Hold on.
No, that's good. You still got enough on your trowel. Just keep going.
Okay. I like to play with it. I'm like, oh.
Everyone has their own style.
It's so good.
And the nice thing is you could be creative with the product and create your own look.
Not too bad, huh?
No.
Huh? I don't want to brag, guys. Huh? Are you guys impressed?
So the main purpose of the second coat application is to cover up the whole wall as smooth as you can. So just put a little bit more pressure on the areas that are a little thicker than others.
It's good. This is, oh my God.
Good.
I feel like this is not too bad.
No, it's not at all.
Look at that.
Okay, you don't want to overwork it. Let's cover up this little white spot.
You're a perfectionist, Gian. Right, Robert?
Now, if you have some rough spots, you can easily sand them when it dries. Yeah, you still left it open. Look,
oh, okay. I'm looking. You see, I'm looking to the camera. I'm not concentrating.
Come on, let's do it.
Oh, but it doesn't go away. I keep going. It doesn't go away. Oh, okay. I need.
So look.
Okay.
You want to go over it. Let me hold your hand. And spread it all out. Boom. Nice and smooth. Nice and smooth. That's it. Finito. Now that's the second coat application.
And you clean the trowel.
And I'll clean the trowel. Let me get that real quick for you.
Okay.
How was it? How did that feel to you?
It's good. It feels good. I feel like I'm giving a massage.
Yeah.
Right? How does it look? Guys, you like it?
That you're giving the wall massage?
Yeah, I feel like, you know, it's good. It's a good exercise for your muscles and your back.
It is. It builds up your shoulders and your arms.
You see, so who said that you need to pay for a workout?
We even have left-handed trowels so you can work out.
Yeah, we have this trowel. This is a righty, and then we have it for left-handed too.
Oh, boy.
Okay, now the orange that I did, when that dries up...
It looks like what? Like that one? This one? You want to help me?
It will look like this.
Okay, let me see.
When it dries out, it will look like that.
Look at how nice.
Very flat. Now we're going to do a third coat application.
Okay, do we have time? Do we have time, guys?
We have to do it.
Erica?
You have 6 minutes, or really like 5.
Like 5 minutes.
I'm going to put it on nice and tight.
4.5.
Time flies when you're having fun. Why time have to go so quick?
Always in circular motions.
Yeah, look at that. We didn't talk about the DVDs.
Hold on.
I mean, we're running with time. Robert.
So we'll have to come back again.
We have to come back.
But each DVD shows a different...
Those DVDs, guys, this one right here.
Yeah, there's shows you how to do our basic, classic, what we call fine grain.
All the trolls and stuff.
Venetian plaster.
The different colors.
There's also...
look at how nice.
DVD, it shows you
Where
how to do
Where are we? Are we here? Where are we? Mike, are we here? Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Look at that.
Our DVDs show you how to do some of the more difficult things people find, like corners.
I like this one.
Right? Yeah. Give it some texture.
So when you put on the third coat, you're going to come back with a burnishing trowel.
You see, he's teaching me and I'm not paying attention.
Start burnishing it. This is what makes the product have a nice shine.
Okay.
You always want to come back and clean your trowel.
It smells good, too.
So if you look at it on the angle, while he's burnishing it, you'll see how it's shining up.
And then you wax it.
Then we'll put a nice wax on it.
Yeah.
I want to take that out. I want to take that out. I want to take that out.
Now, if you notice, I burnished it maybe like, I went over it like maybe like 10 times or something.
Ouch.
And it gives you a nice sheen.
It looks like a bathroom.
And it's very easy to do.
Look at that.
You
nice.
saw that?
Wow.
We did it in and out.
Yeah, in and out, but it's not because you're a professional. Come on, guys.
Do you want to try the final coat?
Just takes a little
I
practice.
don't think we have time. Do we have time, Erica? We don't, right?
No.
You guys are great. I mean, it's like, they have to see you, go and see you online. People, they need to know what
We have several products and classes that teach all of our products. It's really endless with what you can do.
Yeah, there's no limit.
If you're a creative person, you'd have a great time at a seminar. Yeah.
Isn't that excited? I mean, I love the baby. Gian? Guys, we're ready to wrap it up.
So I want to say one thing, that the first 5 callers that we get, and say that you guys watch the Sissy Gamache show, you guys are going to get a free DVD. Just call us up in our go to our website or just go online, forensicolor.com, and just call us up, and you guys will get a free DVD. Okay?
Beautiful. Isn't that nice? I mean, guys, hello, Mike, Erica, I guess we're ready to go. Let's sing a song, guys.
So you could go on the forensiccolor.com, and we have some videos there that you can watch as well online. And just give us a call. And we want to help you bring your walls to life. So just give us a call, and we'll help you. We'll get you trained.
You have to check this out, because these guys are masters. Okay, let's put it. They are masters. They're amazing. I'm gone. Mike, Erica, goodbye, everybody. I'm saying bye. Robert, thank you for being here.
Thank
for coming, Gio.
Thank you for having us.
I'm your slave, guys.
And guys, if you guys want to learn a nice trade, give us a call. And that's it.
And that's it. Are we off? Yeah, bye. See you next week.